Hope you all understood the organs and organ systems in the previous video you have watched. I think hope you all completed the work which I have given for you. So now open content book page number 17. In this one you are going to see about the circulatory system and the excretory system. Open content book, be ready with your pencil. Underline the keywords which I have given. Now I am giving for you. Underline circulatory system, heart, artery, veins, and blood also you underline. Now turn the page number 17. Underline excretory system, sweat, skin, carbon dioxide, nostrils, filtered, kidneys, urinary system. Now see the picture of the circulatory system. See the picture of the circulatory system. Now when you see the circulatory system, here, these are the parts of the circulatory system. Heart. Heart is a muscular organ. The heart is a muscular organ which pumps the blood to all parts of the body. And the red color you can see, this is called the artery. Arteries takes the blood from the heart and pure blood it carries and it gives to the whole part of the body. Now blue color you can see, these are called veins. These veins will carry impure blood from the body and again it will give back to the heart. So this artery and the veins, these both are called blood vessels. So the circulatory system will circulate the blood through all parts of the body. Now see the picture, children. Now we will see the process. Just now I explained in a very short way. Now we will go in a very depth way, we will go. In a deep way, we will go. The circulatory system consists of the heart. Can you see the heart? Heart is a muscular organ. And blood vessels. This system carries pure blood to all parts of the body and collects the impure blood from all the parts of the body through blood vessels and brings it back to the heart. The blood vessels that carry pure blood to the different parts of the body are known as arteries. The blood vessels that collect the impure blood from the different parts of the body and bring back it to the heart are known as veins. Veins which are, it is in blue color. Arteries are in red color. Now, the heart is a muscular organ. Already I told you heart is a muscular organ. So now heart is having a 4 chambers. Though you don't have in the reader also, extra information I am giving you. Heart has 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called auricles and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. So here, now the heart, what is the work of the heart? It pumps the blood to the different parts of the body. Now we will go with the excretory system. Now children, we are going to hear about the excretory system. What does this excretory system will do? Any guess, children? Do you have any guess? Guess it? Think? Yes, you all are correct. It removes the waste from our body. Before that, just you have a glance about the excretory system. See the picture of the excretory system. Now see the parts of the excretory system. Kidney. Can you see the kidney? Yes. It is a bean shaped. It is a bean shaped. Now next one you can see the ureter. Can you see the ureter? Yes. Now next one, can you see the bladder? Yes. Next one, urethra. These are called the excretory system. Actually, excretory system consists of the excretory system from our body. Not only this is called a urinary system, but excretory system means through the skin we can remove the sweat from the skin. Okay, now I will explain about the excretory system. This system helps us to throw out waste from the body. Many waste are thrown out from the body along with the sweat. From the sweat from the skin. Carbon dioxide mixes with the air that is breathed out. It is then thrown out through nostrils. The liquid waste from the blood is filtered by the kidneys. The liquid waste from the blood is filtered by kidneys. It is thrown out of the body as urine through the urinary system. Now everyone open your workbooks. Everyone open your workbooks. Page number 16. In this one you are having circulatory system and the excretory system. In this one, question number 1 I am going to read for you. Name the 3 things that we excrete from our body. What are the 3 things that we will excrete from our body? Sweat, urine and carbon dioxide. So what are the organs? Through which organs we can excrete this? Sweat is excreted through skin, urine is excreted through kidneys and the carbon dioxide through nostrils. Right. Now what are the organ systems? Will help to these organs. Skin, sweat excreted by the skin. The organ system is excretory system. Urine is excreted by the kidneys and the organ system is urinary system. Carbon dioxide is excreted through nostrils and the organ system is respiratory system. Now second one. See question number 2. They have given one picture for you. Label the parts of the human circulatory system in the diagram below. So what you have to do here, the second one they have given you the diagram. Already I have shown you in the picture and I have shown you the parts also, heart, arteries and veins. So heart is a muscular organ. You must draw the arrow mark and write the arrow and write the heart. Next one you write the arteries and next one write the veins. Now question number 3. What role does blood play inside your body? So what role does the blood play inside your body? Blood is a liquid organ. What is the blood? Blood is a liquid organ. So this blood transports the food materials and oxygen to different parts of the body. Again I'll repeat. Blood is a liquid organ. Blood transports food materials and oxygen to different parts of the body. Now open your classworks. Classwork also you must open and then open content.